Hi viewers, good evening to all. I am James Thomas from Sharjah India School. So today we are starting a new section. This class is exclusively for beginners and those who are taken recently admission for 11th standard. The last section, I explaining about the 12th standard accountancy, and this section, so now I am briefing. So what is the meaning of accounts and what is the use of accounts and what is the difference between bookkeeping, accountancy and auditing, and what are the advantages and what are the disadvantages and nature of accounts, etc., etc. And once again welcome to all. See, all of you please watch my class, and this is exclusively for beginners. So now listen, so I am going to start my class. So first point is what do you mean by bookkeeping and why we want to maintain the books of accounts. So you know that all are studying accounts, and why we want to maintain the books of accounts. Now we are already studied bookkeeping, accountancy and trading and profit and loss account, balance sheet, ledger accounts, subdivision of journal and cash book, and like you know that we are studying lot of things now. So you tell me why we want to maintain the books of accounts. That is the basic thing you supposed to study first. You know why we want to maintain the books of accounts. See, answer is very simple. You know that we are all business holders. The primary object of all business unit is maximize the profit and minimize the expenditure. You know that the primary object of all business unit is maximize the profit and minimize the expenditure. That is why you know entrepreneurs or businessmen, they are starting their business by putting capital. So capital in the sense, and he is investing the money in the form of a capital, or otherwise we can say that it is a margin money or it is a seed capital which is invested by the proprietor or entrepreneur, and he is running the business. You know that suppose you are a businessman and you are investing the money in the form of a capital, and after putting the money you can see the business holders are undertaking lot of business transaction also. You know, during the tenure of the business, and all these businessmen or entrepreneurs are undertaking lot of business transactions, and you can see now 1 month is over, 2 months is over, and now 6 months over, and 1 year is also over. Now you can see this is the right time to ascertain the position of the business. We want to know, or it is the duty of the businessman to check whether we are getting a profit or a loss. You know that. So it is the duty of the businessman to check whether we are getting a profit or a loss. That is why we want to maintain the books of accounts. That is the only reason we want to maintain the books of accounts. At the end of the year, you know that entrepreneur is already put the money, or the businessman is already put the money, and during the tenure of the business he is undertaking lot of business transactions, like so amount deposited into the bank, amount withdrawn from the bank for office use, or as well as for his personal expenses, and I purchase goods for cash, as well as I am purchasing goods on credit basis, I am selling goods on credit basis, and also I am paying salary to my staff, and also I paid electricity bills, and also I am getting lot of commissions, and I am getting you know that rent, I am giving a rent, and also I am getting rent money, and whatever it is, during the tenure of the business we are undertaking lot of business transaction also. Now you can see after 6 months or after 1 year, it is the duty of the businessman to check whether we are getting a profit or a loss. That is why all these transactions, you know, during the last 1 year, so the businessman is undertaking lot of business transactions, and all these transactions are recorded in the books of accounts. Systematically we are recording all these transactions, the amount deposited into the bank, or commenced the business with the cash, or purchased goods for cash, whatever it is. You know that either a cash transaction or a credit transaction, whatever it is, the seed capital or a margin money or investing the amount, whatever it is, these all transactions we are recording in the books of accounts. And last, you know that, so it is the duty of the businessman to check whether we are getting a profit or loss. That is why we are maintaining the books of accounts. And recording all these transactions on the basis of an accounting plan is known as bookkeeping. You know that our subject is double entry bookkeeping. So what do you mean by bookkeeping? You know that my first question answer I am telling, why we want to maintain the books of account? Answer is very simple. So it is the duty of the businessman to check whether we are getting a profit or loss. That is why last 1 year all transactions I am recording in a books of accounts. And then you can see that after entering all these transactions, at last we can find out whether we are getting a profit or a loss. So through different process you can find out we are getting a profit or losses. That is why we are maintaining the books of accounts. Okay, now we can see what do you mean by bookkeeping. You know, our subject name is bookkeeping, double entry system and bookkeeping. So what do you mean by bookkeeping? You know that bookkeeping means, according to Batley Boy, you know that it is very difficult. This subject is like an ocean. It is very difficult to define the term in one or two sentences. And even if you can see that many scholars are trying to explain this word or this particular subject in their own styles. And out of that, you know, one of the important definition which is given by Dr. Batley Boy. And according to Batley Boy, what do you mean by bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is an art and also it is a science for recording the transactions in a set of books. Once again, bookkeeping is an art and science for recording the transactions in a set of books. You can see I already said lot of transactions are there and these transactions are recorded in a systematic manner. So what do you mean by bookkeeping? Bookkeeping is an art as well as science for recording the transactions in a set of books. You can see set of books, lot of books are there, lot of subdivisions are there, lot of, you know, subsidiary books like a cash book is there, purchase book is there, purchase returns are there, sales returns are there, bill receivable is there, bill payable is there, and like you can see different books are there. And first of all we are recording all these transactions in a different books. That particular system and that particular subject and that particular information is known as bookkeeping. See, listen, once again you can see I told you this class is only for beginners and those who are recently taken admission for 11th standard. So we are getting the basic things. What is accounts? Why we want to maintain the books of accounts? What is bookkeeping? Double entry bookkeeping. Because this is the new subject for you. Till 10th standard we are not studied accountancy or commercial subject. Now we are studying a new subjects like accountancy, entrepreneurship, marketing, economics and statistics, etc., etc. And here you can see exclusively new subject is accountancy and entrepreneurship. This all important subject and also it is a new subject for you. So that is why I am focusing more importance to bookkeeping and accountancy. So my first question answer we got, it is the duty of the businessman to check whether we are getting a profit or loss. That is why we are maintaining what? Books of accounts. So once again, what do you mean by bookkeeping? So according to Batley Boy, bookkeeping means it is an art and science for recording the transactions in a set of books. Once again, now itself you can learn this definition. What is bookkeeping? According to Batley Boy, bookkeeping is an art and also it is a science for recording the transactions in a set of books. There you can see. So very important point is coming while we are analyzing this particular definition. You can see that. So why it is an art and why it is a science? In what sense you can say that bookkeeping is an art? In what sense you can say that bookkeeping is a science? So very simple answer. You know that teaching is an art. Management is an art. You can see management is what management does. Forecast to plan, organize to command and coordinate to control. And management is art of decision making and leadership. And teaching is also an art. You can tell that. So what do you mean by why it is called an art? Very simple answer. You know, bookkeeping is an art because we are using different techniques to achieve the desired goals or objective of the business transactions or business transactions. We are using different techniques to achieve the goals or desired goals of the business unit. That is why we are using the word it is an art. We are using different techniques to achieve the goals and target of the business units. That is why you can say that bookkeeping is an art. Then second question, you know why it is called a science? You can see bookkeeping is not a chemical science and accountancy is not like a chemical science. It is a soft science. So what do you mean by bookkeeping is a science? Because these bookkeeping principles are developed on the basis of certain formulas and equations and accounting standard. So that is why we can say that it is a science. You know that we are following different formulas and we are depend on lot of theories, and the theories of entrepreneurial theories and marketing theories, and also statistical formulas and marketing formulas and mathematical formulas, etc., etc. That means you can say that bookkeeping is an art and as well as it's a science. It is developed on the basis of certain set of rules or regulations, and it is set up on the basis of certain formulas and equations. So we can say that bookkeeping is art and as well as bookkeeping is a science. Now we can say that it is clear. What is bookkeeping? Why bookkeeping is an art, or why bookkeeping is a science, and define the term bookkeeping. And the three terms now we have studied: what is bookkeeping, why it is an art, and why it is a science. Now we can see another point. So what are the main objectives of this bookkeeping? So tell me now, so what are the main objectives of this bookkeeping? We know that this bookkeeping is an art and science. We are recording all the transactions in a set of books. Then you tell me what you mean by, or what are the main objectives of this bookkeeping? Answer is very simple: to have a permanent record of the business transactions. So just it's a time for break.